Vincent Regina here with Flat Screen Clean. How many of us have flat and touchscreen devices in our lives, and you know how hard it is to keep them clean and streak free? Well, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs one day using a name brand cleaner. Streaks all over. I came up with a solution. Flat Screen Clean. I personally tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call it real time, real dirt, real results. Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product that's both alcohol and ammonia free. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. It'll clean to the extreme, from chicken wings to hand creams and everything in between. It even removes permanent marker. And here I am tonight, I'm going to do an extreme demonstration for you. So here we go. So I already mucked up the screen, as you can see, or wait, maybe you can see it better this way. If the TV will shut off. Guess I need to come back a little bit. There we go. Alright, so I already mucked up the screen. So basically what's on the screen right now is all this stuff here I put on it. So I put on Nutella, peanut butter, Hershey syrup, ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, kids paint. You can see the kids paint over here. And then I put butter on it too, because I had a review that a customer said their child put butter on the screen. So I'm like, hey, why not? And then here's some lipstick and here's some lip gloss. And now we're going to put some permanent marker on. So this is a Sharpie. So let's see, I'll put it right about there. As you can see, nice little gold marker. So I'm going to set this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it in a little bit more. So that's the Sharpie. That's going to be a little difficult to take off, but it will remove it. So you can hear it. You hear it? It's dry. So, like I said, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up. And I came up with a solution, Flat Screen Clean. So it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. With our 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. So here we go. So as you can see, it mist onto the screen. So when we designed it, we didn't want it to run, so we wanted it to mist into the air. So Flat Screen Clean is made from all natural ingredients, alcohol and ammonia free. So how are we different from our competitors? Well, we like to put a face with our product. This guy right here. I'm Vincent Regina. I'm president, CEO, and founder of Regina LLC, makers of Flat Screen Clean. I know you say 20,000 units. 20,000 units to date. When you've been grinding away at something for this long, as you can see, look at that. That was the permanent marker that just came off, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it and get all this stuff off, because I put a lot on there. We're the only company out there that does extreme demonstrations like this with food. And as you could probably check out our product page, you can simply go to Flat Screen Clean in our store, and you'll see other demos that I have done at my customers' homes. So when any new product comes to market, any type of flat or touchscreen device, I'm able to go in and test it. Like when the curved TVs came out on market, you know, to clean a curved TV, not an easy thing, but Flat Screen Clean makes it as simple as 1, 2, 3. I'll get into what you get and the price here as soon as I finish up cleaning this mess that I just made. That's the TV just tottering back and forth. And as you can see, it's not clean, it's Flat Screen Clean. So I'll get into what you get and the price. So the bottle I used was the 8-ounce bottle just now. Okay, so you get the 8-ounce bottle, plus you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. And then what you get with that is you'll get the insert card that has all the information. We like our insert card, so just take it, tuck it away if you need any information. And then you get the key. The key is the bag that it comes in. Don't throw away the bag, because the bag is to protect the towel. See, being in the cleaning industry, you want to protect this towel. You don't want to get any other polishes or anything on it. So you put it in, you can just put the towel in the bag and it'll be safe. So what you get the 8-ounce bottle, the towel, $14.95 free shipping. That's not only for Prime members, that's for everybody. Free shipping. I see I have some people here writing. I'll get to you in a second as soon as I'm done here. And I'll answer any of your questions that you have. So then we have the 4-ounce bottle, and we're not out of stock. Amazon is working on that for us right now. We are not out of stock. The 4-ounce bottle. You get the 4-ounce bottle, you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel for $12.95 plus shipping and handling. And then we have our 2-ounce bottle for travel. So with this one, you get the 2-ounce bottle, plus you get a 12 by 12 medium-sized super blue microfiber towel. Okay? And then we also sell the mini super blue microfiber towel, which is for your glasses. Okay? So everything that you get the bag with, so you can protect the towel. You get all the insert cards, and I'm going to read some of these questions people have here for me. Oh, okay. Why is my live not appearing in my product listing? The reason why my live is not appearing in my product listing is because right now I use TM, and we're not a registered trademark. That's the reason why. And this other question is this a live video? Yes, this is a live video. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. We always do live videos. We don't run them. We just make sure everything is live. It's a live demo with real questions right now. I like these questions. You're welcome, Leah. So, being a professional house cleaner by trade, coming up with a solution to my problem is what happened. I used the name brand cleaner, and it didn't work out for me or the customer, and I came up with Flat Screen Clean. So back to also what we're going on here. So free shipping for the 8-ounce bottle, that's across the board. Free shipping, Prime member, non-Prime member. Okay, so if you decide, hey, maybe I want to buy a 4-ounce bottle and a 2-ounce bottle and a mini super blue microfiber towel. Well, any orders on our store, $20 or more, free shipping. It's that simple. We supply free shipping for everybody that's either a Prime member or if they're not a Prime member. And everything that we ship out is priority mail. We only use priority mail. So if you order tonight, I can have it to you out tomorrow. We do all our own fulfillment. So that was a great question though. Why isn't it on the product page? That's the reason why. It's just the rules that Amazon has. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. If you have any questions, you can email us. You can contact us. We put our phone number out on our site, Regani LLC. You can check us out, and I gladly will ship it out to you. And I'll have it out to you by tomorrow morning. Thank you, and have a great rest of your Mother's Day.